just fell again.
I just came
Weird.
out. I just... Where's Skibbity Dum Dum? Yes, us, yes. Ohio, Skibbity.
Oh, he's trying the other way.
Goofy.
See, what?
Metal type sound. Mewing day 31. Day 31.
Bro, what the fuck?
He keeps falling. He's great.
Fuck is wrong
I like how bro
people,
said
bro?
I'm 8 and playing Gorilla.
You guys could have skipped it higher.
You're posting this on.
So some comments and
Power of 3 equals it.
what kind of heck is
So long.
Stop, sorry, bro.
what is going on? Do you know what's going on?
No, I don't.
Not even trying to be rude at this point. You actually sound sped, bro. Not even trying to be rude at this point, bro.
Red, how many times is it gonna take you? Yeah, no, he still's I don't know. He's been next to them a million times.
This is gonna clear my throat out.
Oh, he got tagged.
Yeah.
He got tagged.
Can someone help? We're fucking competitive.
Oh, I saw that.
He's asking for help.
Why turn me to British
So-
kids? Like, because we're just British. I'm
British.
YouTuber. Is it like a British people or something? Like,
Yes.
British man.
I'll be a little with him.
I play horror games like Evil Nun, and Evil Nun is a horror game where you...
Is your headset going to die?
Oh my! It is. Yes. I don't know where the heck you are.
I'm totally a YouTuber.
I've
A million subs.
Hey, blood.
Same.
I'm 1 million.
Same minute. I don't know what the heck we're doing. I'm just gonna
Everything is...
die.
Repeat everything. Bro, I'm gonna repeat everything.
What percent is it at?
What British kid says, bro.
Guys, look on the map. It's just British. I'm just British. It's fun to say British.
Mine's at 33.
I'm British. Look on
Good.
the map. I'm British.
You know what? Subscribe to me and send me the video. My YouTube channel is just my gorilla name. Big Daddy Kid.
Okay.
Do you even have one?
Mm-mm.
Oh. Well, then post that video to YouTube and tag me in it.
Like, your mom doesn't even probably let you say those words.
I don't know, just sub to Dappy King. If you don't, I hope you have a Google account. At least have a Google account.
I will.
Or at least, like, say in a comment, hey, well, I'll post the video today, and it'd be like, I have a longer video, and British noob, that's the code. Say British noobs, or those British noobs, or I got more video of those British noobs. Comment that. Comment.
Isn't this kid British?
Yes, very.
Yes. No, mate, I don't have mods.
We're not gonna help you.
I don't have mods, mate. I don't have mods.
I do. I totally do.
Okay, what mod? Bark mod? Do you have bark? Do you have that mod? Do you have the... And then it appears right here, and then boop, boop, boop. Yeah. And then flies. Oh, I'm gonna have to go eat dinner or something.
You better not leave me with these people.
Well, my headset's gonna die. My headset's gonna die.
It's like a zoo in here.
Oi!
Bro, this kid is so far away from my goddamn house that he's so laggy, bro. It's honestly true.
You're so close to, well, in the game you're super close to me. In real life you're probably on the other side of the planet. Wait, what country are you in?
USA.
What country are
The
What?
the US of A.
Oh. What state?
Texas.
Don't. Oh, okay. You're on the other, almost the other side of the country.
Before you already say it.
If you were to say New York, then that's pretty close.
Like I'm some redneck or something, bro.
Guys, I hate
from Texas, bro. I'm not even from Texas.
You from Texas, mate? Why'd I say mate? That's Australian. Texas.
So I be a little Australian.
Yeah.
Why?
You
British versus Australian. Who will win?
I don't know. I hope I don't fall. If I fall, that would be game over. That would be game over. And then I have to tag you.
Let me say something.
You
And then
wouldn't
you
be
die.
able to tag me. No, no, no.
You're so British. That's the reason why your queen died.
Hmm? You insulted? I felt that. I felt that. I felt how bad that was.
Viewing and then she died.
Stop it.
Double balls. He made it.
Oh no, we're done for. Bye. Frick! Oh, fine. Well, it was game over. I'm still doing it.
Oh no. I can do this.
Oh no. No. Can I go first? Bro, he's crying now. It's actually crazy. He's starting to cry now. Makes sense. He said he's 8 years old, so it makes sense.
I've been playing this game for 12,699
I have.
years.
Yay!
I still haven't gotten competitive. What's wrong with you bitches? Bro, can someone tag me so I can get speed boost, please?
No, I'm not telling you.
Oh,
Get over here.
Oh. Yes.
Is that how you do it? You don't wall run? You do it like that?
What the hell did I try?
Oh.
You're just supposed to wall run.
Why the fuck are you laughing?
It's easier.
Oh no. Because I like
No.
Uh-oh.
like yours.
I'm done for.
Block is 2 inches.
Okay.
Fine. I'm done for.
Does it really matter?
Fine. I
He fell.
Let's go. If I get tagged or my headset dies, I'm ending the recording.
Yo, purple.
No.
These British noobs at it.
You better hurry up.
Come on, dudes. I have to eat dinner. Or why is this so hard? Bye.
Are you leaving?
Maybe eventually. If what may happen, I go eat food, I get tagged, or one of my parents takes the headset off my face.
Oh, okay.
I think it's
Yeah.
That's happened to you before?
No,
That's never happened to me before.
it's never happened to me either.
I bet you.
Yeah.
That.
You're gonna do it in reverse? No.
that's not good. Uh-oh.
You're done for. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I spoke too soon.
British shit, bro. Oh.
I fucking hate my life.
L.
Seriously, bitches. Why? To me.
Sweat got in my eye. Ah, burn! Ah!
Look at the enter.
Uh-oh.
How am I not supposed to laugh?
No.
He's gonna get me. Oh my.
Ah, that's a bit loud, isn't it?
He's gonna eat me.
Purple, get up here. Hurry. Oh my god, guys, help me. The rise of the British kid. He's. Oh my gosh, guys, rise of the British kid. Revenge of the Queen.
Motherfucker! Unicorn! Motherfucker!
You know what, bro? Do you want me to go my actually mode, bro?
Actually. I'm scared.
Okay, I'm done for. I'm done. I'm done. I'm so done right now. Why am I not tagged? Why am I not tagged?
I'm good. Guys, British kid finally made it.
We might want to run though because he's not like
Can't do that, come on.
He's going crazy.
Come on, that ain't fair.
I'm putting a warning on this.
I still undress this.
Tell off my friends that he had to factory reset his headset, but it still doesn't work.
Can you
Oh,
drop
no.
down from competitive?
Oh, come here, Papa.
Fine.
Pink.
Fine, I'll end the recording. Fine. Which means Droopy Crossed Arms and like the subscribe button since those are my brands. Well,
No, this little British kid probably
Listen
has
to me.
Cheetos on his fingers.
Droopy Crossed Arms and like that subscribe button. Subscribe.
Oh no.
So else, subscribe or else I'll remove your competitive unlock.
Don't think I know how you have to. Come here.
Subscribe or I'll...
I see you.
I'm just gonna eat dinner. Which means I'm gonna turn my volume back up so I can hear you guys.
Don't think I don't know how to dance. I do.
Alright guys, bye.
Hey guys,
Subscribe to... Put this in YouTube. Put Dappy King in YouTube and then you might find me. Or hashtag
So give me a second.
Hashtag Droopy Crossed Arms and hashtag like that subscribe button will probably work better. My icon is purple, kind of looks like a firework. Please find me. Alright, bye. Please find me. Please find me. And brother, other brothers about me. Subscribe to this kid on YouTube. Goodbye. Please meet me again.
What does your profile look like?
I just told you purple kind of looks like a firework.
Do what? I'm just gonna play
I'm still recording.
Yeah, I found it.
Oh, thank you. Tell the other kids about me. Especially those British mates. Alright, that's enough. Bye. That's enough.